survival, we will not leave this to go so at no cost.
And High Court is there that every village has to have their own waste management setup. Some villages have done. Some of the villages which have not done have been fined. So what I would say is no to this plant, and whatever the expense that is going towards this plant, distribute with the villages for each panchayat to set up their own plants. That is the solution. You can't burden one place for garbage coming from somewhere else.
But in every his reply.
No, we remind again.
He told us that we have to go and see Mr. Levinson Martins, who was the MD of the waste management. We had an interaction with Mr. Levinson Martins, and then after the interaction we got all documents under RTI which are on record with us, and based on that we have also approached the other authorities who had assured us that they will look into the matter. But till today nothing has happened.
You all have objected.
39 villages are going to come with their waste.
Okay.
And there are court directives. I need to give you small examples. There are a couple of panchayats which are breaking down their own wet waste into organic waste, and they are doing a very fantastic job. म्हाका दिसना की असले सेंट्रलाइज्ड सिस्टम हाडून सगळ्यांचीच वाट लावपाची गरज आसा.
This is the first.
Already everybody has got a MRF plant in each of the villages.
That's an important point.
Okay. Also, through some arrangement, the government should ask for wet waste management to be incorporated in the MRF. Each village should take care of its own garbage. Secondly, Sosro is available. Sosro is there. Why Sosro garbage has to come to Verna?
Yes. Right.
Why Murmugao garbage has to come to Verna? Money is collected in the form of commercial taxis in Murmugao, and we are going to get the garbage in Verna?
Right.
Huh?
Also,
So, tunnel zone, I don't know, maybe
Funnel.
zone, okay? Maybe now, as you know in the news, MOPA, I'm also the petitioner, Susair Daboli, in the High Court. MOPA, maybe they knew that everything is going to go to MOPA, that's why they brought this plant. This is in the funnel zone. One jet had fallen somewhere very close here, right?
So the naval people also are at risk.
So for what is this plant? No. We, the citizens of Nuben, say no means no, at no cost.
And this.
We have been pursuing this from the time they had proposed it even 2.5 years back, and right now, last week when there was a press note, we have got aware of how things are moving, and for that the constituents of Nuve constituency, in the recent press release from the Goa Appraisal Committee putting clearance for the solid waste management plant at Verna on hold, is a perfect case study of how government and its agencies operate in an ad hoc manner, showing scant respect to the law and due processes that are mandatory. It is interesting that GSEAC has instructed the project proponent, that is Solid Waste Management Corporation, to conduct new public hearings and collect community inputs. This is the community that stays in the periphery of this plateau. When no public hearing has been actually held so far on ground truthing conducted, if it had, then it would have been clear that the plant was being set up on a huge aquifer and is the origin of various springs that feed the Amblur Lake, which is a straight point of River Sal, starting point of River Sal, which runs through entire South Goa right up to Betul. It would have been noticed that the plant was being set up a mere 350 meters from human habitation, Lokvasti Asa, and nestling close to a number of pharma companies in this industrial estate. There are so many pharma companies. We depend on water, and this big project is coming in close vicinity to them. It is also strange that GSEAC has not questioned the cut-paste copy project report which is submitted by the project proponent, giving totally false details, misleading and inaccurate information, despite constituents of Nuvei constituency, bringing it to their notice. We have called upon them with a delegation and impressed upon them about the facts and scientific repercussions of it. For instance, the distance between Malasa temple has been located at 10.7 kilometers when it is just 2.2 kilometers. So this is a false information. The actual distance in reality is not really given and it is misleading. There is also a chapel standing 239 meters from the site, from there to here, of the proposed plant. Does the government of Goa believe that venerated religious structures deserve to coexist chick by jowl to a garbage plant? Arvind Sankara.
I'm Arvind.
Groundwater. Wars will be fought on water in the future. If our groundwater is contaminated, that's the end of the story. I am the petitioner in the High Court regarding groundwater in the Verna Industrial Estate. And I have identified 196 bore wells which were being overexploited. And I had given 23 suggestions to the court and to the government, which has been accepted. Now, if this water, the leachate, seeps into the ground, what is going to be the state of the deep aquifer, which recharges every 5 years. The deep aquifer, that is from 60 to 100 meters deep, takes 5 years. This rain that is raining this year will take 5 years to seep into the ground. And most of the industries, especially the pharma industries in the Verna Industrial Estate, are taking water from the deep aquifer, including water bottling industries which are existing. So this will be detrimental to our life, and our main important thing is the water which is in the house, in the ground, which we are drinking. Till today, there might be taps in the villages, but we are depending on well water. So if you are going to destroy our well water, for whom? This land was acquired for what? It was for the purpose that we also benefit. We are equal partners here. The industries are coming, but villages also have to be protected. This was the duty of the industrial estate and the pollution control board to protect us. They are having their own agenda. This land was given to SEZs by the IDC. We villagers from Nuvei constituency went and fought and got this land, 26 lakh square meters. We went up to the Supreme Court and got this stopped, and the land came back to IDC. We expected this land to be used by our local villagers or local Goans to start their industries here. What is happening? Garbage plant? Some other big projects? For what is this land? This was our land. And what we are getting in return is migrants and garbage. And garbage? Is it acceptable? We are going to object tooth and nail. There will be no waste management plant here.
Don't know what's
No, will Sansora be transferred here?
Yes. Yes.
This is what we feel. It's all a real estate bungle.
I want to ask him.
Submitting documents with false information, the GWMC has clearly shown through the mismanagement of the Saligaon waste management plant that it is totally incapable of doing its job in managing the project without creating nuisance and dangerous health and environment conditions to the surrounding area and its luckless residents. This is not just being said by us, but this is after having gone and visited the plant and seen the functioning. Hence, under no circumstance can it be permitted to replicate this disaster on an ecologically fragile and environmentally rich Verna plateau. It is a fact that, like the Goa Waste Management Corporation, all the concerned government agencies have shown their incapability or unwillingness and total unresponsiveness to public complaints. Their failure to perform their respective duties is utterly shameful and distressing. In this regard, special mention needs to be made of GIDC, which has distinguished itself through its chaotic mismanagement of the Verna Industrial Estate. The Goa State Pollution Control Board wins close second place thanks to its total abdication of duty in monitoring the pollution levels of the factories in Verna Industrial Estate. In the light of the government's inability, unwillingness to abide by the laws and due processes put in for a definite purpose, we, the constituents of Nuvei constituency, will under no circumstances permit this contentious project detrimental to the health and well-being of the ecology of the villages and their people to be foisted in their midst. This project is not going to be accepted in this location, which is just to my left here. If you can focus that side, you can see the area where the project is coming. So in no ways. Are all of you all with us in this? You all want the plant, yes or no? No. Exactly. This is the people speaking, not we speaking.
Can I ask a question?
परिषदेक येवकार आणि नमस्कार. आयज तुमकां खबर आहा ह्या जाग्यार आयज सगळे जमिल्ले आहा नुवे, वेर्ना, नागवा आणि लोटले रेजिडेंट्स आणि कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ऑफ नुवे कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसी. ह्या जाग्याचेर गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन हांणी एक प्लांट प्रपोज केल्लो आहा 250 टन्स पर डे विथ 20% बफर, 150 टन्स पर डे बायोमिथेनेशन प्लांट आणि प्लस 150 MRF. वो असले स्केलीचेर वो प्लांट घालपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आहा. स्थानिक लोकांनी आणि हांगा जे पळय रेजिडेंट्स आणि कन्सर्न सिटीजन्स आसा पळय कॉन्स्टिट्युएंसीतले हांणी हाजेर निशेध केल्लो आणि 2022 ताजी ही चळवळ सुरू आसली. म्हणटकीर आयज परतून सरकारान एक गोवा स्टेट एक्सपर्ट एप्रेजल कमिटी म्हणून काडिल्ली आहा. तांचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंटेशन गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटांतल्यान पावल्लें आहा आनी तांणी सिरियस कन्सर्न रेज केल्ले आहा गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशना कडेन की लोकांचे मागणी आयकून घेवपाचो हक्क आसा आनी इट इज अ सिरियस स्टेप्स वीच दे कॅनॉट बायपास म्हणून तांणी परत सरकाराक बरयल्लें आहा. आनी हाचेर तांणी सर्टन ऑब्जर्वेशन्स केल्या की पब्लीक हियरींग सेकंड टायम जावपाक जाय म्हणून. पूण जेन्ना पळय फायंड आवट केलें की ताणें सरकारान पब्लीक हियरींग केन्नाच करूंकूच नासलें. म्हणटकीर हो जागो पळय आहा तो एक असलो इकॉलॉजिकली फ्रेजायल प्लॅट्यू की हांगा मोर दॅन 32 स्प्रिंग्स अँड वॉटरवेज पर्क्युलेट जावन इज एक्टिंग एज अ एक्वाफर and this aquifer is supplementing water to Amlor Lake and Amlor Lake is supplementing to River Sal. River Sal ही एका रिपोर्टान हांवें वाचलां की this is a indigenous river. दुसरे कडेन तुमी जाग्यार पयले आसतले start from the sea, but ही हांगाच्यान विलेजींतल्यान स्टार्ट जाता River Sal and River Sal navigates and cuts through all the villages of Salsette, supplementing water to livelihoods, agriculture and vegetation. म्हणजे असल्या जाग्याचेर हे प्लांट हाडून डिजास्टर करप म्हणजे हें सारकें ना. म्हणजे आयज हांगा आमचे मदीं आसा वेर्नाचे, नागवाचे, लोटलेचे एक्स सरपंच, प्रेझेंट पंचीस आनीक बरे एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट लायक झरिना, एक्टिविस्ट फ्रॉम लोतोली, आरविंद, पयलींचे सरपंच आसा, प्लस एक्सपर्ट्स लायक मिस्टर जॉन फिलीप हांणी सगळ्यांनी हातूंत पार्टिसिपेट जाल्ले आहा. आयज हे प्लांटाचेर निशेध करपाक आनीक एपील करपाक सरकारा लागीं की बाबा हें तुमकां तुमचे दोळे ओपन केल्ले आहा. गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचे दोळे ओपन केल्या कोणें? गोवा स्टेट एक्सपर्ट एप्रेजल कमिटीन की हे लोकांची मागणी आयकून घेवपाची गरज आसा म्हूण आनी वी कॅनॉट बुलडोज द प्लांट इन व्हेरी नाटशलान तांणी तांकां कळून दिल्लें आहा. तरी आसतना सरकार आपली घमंडी दाखयता की वी आर व्हेरी कॉन्फिडंट म्हणटा कोण? गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन की वी आर गोइंग टू ब्रिंग स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट टेक्नॉलॉजी अँड न्यू गायडलायन्स. विथ दीस दे आर शोईंग देअर रिझॉल्व अँड देअर डिटर्मिनेशन. घमंडी दाखयता जी की आमी प्लांट हांगा हाडटलेच म्हण. तर लोकांचो एक हें आसा की सरकार तर अशी घमंडी दाखयता जाल्यार सरकाराक दोळे उक्ती करून दाखोवपाची लोकांकूय हक आसा. म्हणटकीर हे बाबतींत हांगा आमी आयल्या हे प्लांटाचेर निशेध करपाक सरकारा कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करपाक की बाबा हेसले प्लांट तुमी हाडनाका. 39 villages and 3 municipalities are going to bring their waste here, which is not a simple thing. 10 trucks per hour will be the capacity, which will be detrimental for all the villages in the surrounding area. की एका वराक 10 तर ट्रक येतले. तुमी मडगांव पावले आसतले. उदाहरण दिता, जेन्ना पळय एक ट्रक तरी वेस्ट घेवन वयता जाल्यार तो एक ट्रक पास जाय जाल्यार कितलो टायमूच तेचे ट्रकाची असली घाण आसता it is becoming very difficult for people to imagine what is going to happen to this plant when they are coming through all these routes of the villages. म्हणजे सालिगांव तर प्लांटान वचत ते उदाहरण दिता गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट की वन ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ द प्लांट तुम्हीच वचून पळया. आय हॅव सीन विथ माय ओन आयज. इट इज रन बाय हिंदुस्तान वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट. त्या रोटार तरी सकल पिल्लेर सर्कलाचेर साकून तूं तर वयर वचत जाल्यार तुका दिसता कसलो डिजास्टर आसा तो. की साल्मोना स्प्रिंग्स वॉज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्प्रिंग्स इन द नॉर्थ गोवा. इट इज डिस्ट्रॉयड टुडे बाय दीस प्लांट. तुम्ही वचून थंय म्हायती काडा, तुमकां सगळें फॅक्ट्स मेळटलें आनी तेन्ना तुमकां कळटलें 250 कॅपॅसिटी प्लांट हांगा तर आयत जाल्यार कसलो डिजास्टर जावपाचो आहा. बिकॉज दीस इज अ व्हेरी फ्रेजायल प्लॅटू. एन्ड म्हाका दिसता की असले प्लांट सरकारान हाडप न्ही हांगा. कित्याक स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट प्लांट म्हणटा तुमी, बट आमकां खबर आसा असले स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट तुमी खंय खंय स्ट्रक्चर्स घातलेले आसा, खंय खंय सुविधा घातलेली आसा, तांची स्टेट आयज कितें आहा ती आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. म्हणटकीर हे बाबतीन लास्ट इयर 2022-23 एक आमचे स्थानीक लोकांचें एक डेलिगेशन गेल्लें आमच्या स्थानीक आमदाराक मेळपाक. ताणें त्या टायमार सांगलें की आपूण पावरान ना म्हणून. आनीक तेन्ना ताणें विशय मांडलो एसेंब्लीन आनी सांगलें की आय वील लूक इन टू दीस म्हणून. आयज म्हाका दिसता की सगळे यंत्रणा तुज्या लागीं आसा. यू आर द एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर. ऑल टूल्स आर देर विथ यू. पीपल आर लुकींग एट यू विथ एक्सपेक्टेशन. तुका आमी सांगपाची आनी गरज ना कित्याक यू नो एवरीथींग. तर हे बाबतीन आनीकय आमचे माहिती दिवपाक बाब अरविंद आसा, बाय जरीन आसा. डिसायड करली एक डेलिगेशन घेवन गेल्ले. ही इज फुल्ली अवेअर ऑफ द सर्कमस्टन्सीस अँड द कन्सर्न्स एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय द सिटिजन्स अँड द रेजिडेंट्स अँड द कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ऑफ दीस कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. वी वील हॅव अ डिस्कशन. आनीक ताणें एक आश्वासन दिल्लें आनी डिस्कशनान तो पार्टिसिपेट जाल्लो एसेंब्लींत. सो ही इज फुल्ली अवेअर वॉट ही हॅज टू डू.
दूसरा प्रश्न
is going from 2022.
How many representations in past?
Representations are given to the concerned departments earlier, and even last year the representations were given.
No heed. Nobody here.
No.
So far,
There's no response that has come from any of the departments till now.